Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear family, dear beautiful girls, this video is about my makeup bag that is always in my purse whenever I am going out, I'm at work or anywhere and I need to retouch my makeup. I always carry this bag with me, and sometimes when even I don't have to retouch my makeup, I still have it. It's like a your backup plan for everything. So I'm going to share with you today what is inside my makeup bag. So this is my bag. It's a Givenchy perfumes bag, but I have made it my makeup bag. So let's see what's inside it. What's the most important things that I keep with myself always. So it's going to be a little informative as well as, I'll just share it with you. As I have promised to be honest in every video, so I'm going to share everything I have in my bag. So this is the first item I'm going to show you. This is a, I don't know what it's called. Basically, with pressing the button, you switch it on and you remove your extra hair from anywhere. So if you have any extra hair, if I have any extra hair anytime and I just find it, then this is my rescue equipment, or it always saves me from whatever it is. So this is the first one. And the second thing is, all right, one more thing. I always have a hair plucking thing. That's a tweezer. I actually own two tweezers, I'll be honest. One is always at home and the other one is always in my work desk at office. So I don't have to carry it with myself. So whenever I feel there's an extra growth, or I just use my plucker. Otherwise, this device the one I just showed you. The second and most important thing is my MAC Studio Fix. This is like my best friend. It's like next to perfect, and it fixes everything. So this is, I use NC30, and this is it. All right, and the third thing I'm going to share with you is the Zero Palette, which you have seen in almost all of my videos, and I have the cream shade in this, and I have already ordered another one in ivory shade as well, because this shade is more perfect for me in summers, because in summers I get a bit tan and my skin color darkens a bit, and in winters it's a bit lighter tone, so I have ordered another one. So this goes in this box as well. The next thing I have is this Vitamin B C E moisturizer from Inky Lips. It's with me because sometimes, not sometimes, I'm in Riyadh and here always my hands are dry or my skin is dry. I have another one in my office as well, a small box of Clinique 72 hours hydration, but I also keep it with me all the time. It's in my bag. So if I need, I feel dry on my skin, even on top of makeup, I apply these products. The next is a powder blush, and this one has a bit of sheen in it, and I carry this MAC small brush, and I have this NARS, it's a bronzer I use it as a bronzer and at the same time as a contour as well. So this brush, and with these two things I use with this brush. Guess what I've just realized? I always carry some extra stuff in my bag. This is a gel, it's a mask, and it's from Glam Glow. I would not be using it at work, or it should not be in my bag. It should be in my washroom. So I'm going to take it out of my makeup bag and putting it in the washroom. Now I have these two brushes. This is from Sephora, and this is, I don't know. So anyways, these has these fluffy brushes, and this is an angle brush, and this is a light, like a flat brush. I hardly use this. Sometimes for this, but I think this is an extra for my bag as well. I'm keeping this in my bag again. The other one is going out. The next thing in my makeup bag is this baby beauty blender. It's mostly for hair, or sometimes if I have to apply any foundation. This is used from this side. So I always have a baby one with me. It does not take a lot of space, and it's always with me. The next thing is this baby something for filing my filer actually. So it's for filing my nails in case of emergencies, which usually happens that there's this, I break my nails and I feel so uncomfortable. It's like, I think I have OCD about broken nails, or uneven nails. I just feel so uncomfortable, so I always carry this with me. The next is going to be a bunch of lip pencils. This is my collection. This is the most used one. This is from Rivaj, and look at this, it's now very little baby. I plan to rebuy the same color again because this is the most used pencil. This one is from Just Gold. I don't know which brand. I mean, it's a very non-expensive lip product I just bought. I mean, I don't know from where. And this is again from Rivaj, and it's a maroonish one, and I use this one as well. And this is a very nice beige from Rivaj. I actually use a lot of lip pencils from Rivaj because these are very, the quality is really good and the price is really low. So this is another one, and this one is from Stella, and this is like, oh my god, this has ended. I feel so sad. The next pencil is this Sephora eyebrow pencil. It has from this side I can do this, and the other one is for with the liquid, with this to fill my eyebrows. And the next most important thing is this MAC eye concealer, and I do use the one with in the Zero palette, and sometimes when I don't feel like using it, these are the two I usually use every single day. The next comes, this is a Revolution eyeliner. It's a very pretty packaging, and this is the one I have applied right now. The next thing I have is this Laura Mercier bronzer. Could say bronzer or a highlighter stick. So it's always with me as well. I don't know why, but I just keep it with me. And this is a Becca highlighter. It's almost ending. I mean, it's just a bit of it left, and it's just, sometimes I feel like getting a glow on my skin, so I apply it on those days. The next is this L'Oreal powder eyeliner pen. I got these in two colors. One was black and one is purple. Let me apply it here and show you. This is very nice, and it smudges very easily. I think, okay, I'll show you the color like this. See, it's a very pretty purple, but at work obviously I won't be using a purple eyeshadow. I think I mistakenly put it in my bag, thinking it's black, because black is what I can use every single day. So I'm taking this out of my makeup bag as well. So the next products are going to be, this is a Sephora lip scrub with fruit. It's a dragon fruit color, smell and flavor, and it's in my bag. I think it should be in my washroom, because that's where I actually scrub my face and my lips and the rest of me. Alright, so this is another Sephora product. I have a lot of Sephora products actually. So this one is a brow gel, clear brow gel. So you can actually use it here, and sometimes you can even use it here. It's invisible mascara, you could say. This is always in my bag as well. And now comes the next set of lipsticks, and which I have in my bag right now. So these are the 5 things I have in my bag. This is from Stella. Last days I was wearing dark lipsticks, and this is like a maroon shade. This is a hot red shade from NYX, and this is a tender peach from Medora, this color, and another one is like hot pink by MAC. It's a baby lipstick, easy to carry, and always makes you very fresh. And I'm going to take these 2 out of my bag now. Only Medora and this is going back. And also I have this lip color, another matte lip color lipstick, actually bullet lipstick. This is shade Terracotta. This is one of the most famous shades by Medora, and I just love it. And the next important and lovely thing I have with me is a NARS baby lipstick. It's not a lip color. It has very little color to it. I mean, look at this. It's like almost invisible on your lips, but it hydrates and it's a bit shiny. So sometimes when I don't feel like wearing anything, but to have more hydrated lips and a bit of sheen on my lips, then that's when I use this one. Oops, I've just found two more beauty blenders. This one is a half cut beauty blender, and this one is again another baby beauty blender. I'm taking these out and putting them for wash. I actually wash my beauty blenders a couple of times a month. All right, so this is a glue. This is a nail glue. I think I put it in my bag when I had fake nails on, and that's when I put it, because sometimes if you mistakenly your nail is off, you can always put a glue, and it's like a savior. So this is again going in my makeup box. And another thing, again, I don't know why this is in my bag. This is a water sleeping mask from Lineage, and it's like a sleeping mask. And it's a night. I think it's a night. Obviously, we sleep at night, so it has to be night. It's again going into my washroom, where my skincare stuff in my washroom, where I do my night skincare every day. And the next thing is this scrunchie. It's always in my bag because you never know when you need it. And lastly, a sharpener to sharpen my pencils, be it eye pencils or lip pencils. And another very interesting thing in my bag is this 2000 rupees, which I think I put it here accidentally maybe, or I'm just keeping it here. So I'll just, it's always safe if things are in your makeup bag, because I don't know, I feel safe when things are in my makeup bag. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and this is my makeup bag, my pretty red beautiful makeup bag to go in my large bag, and at one place all these things are safe, and this is the love of my life actually. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any comments, any suggestions or any feedback, you can write it in the comment box. Like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I love you all, and the best thing about today is this is today. So just live today, and don't overthink about future, and don't keep thinking about your past. We do make mistakes, and we do have a past, but you should not carry bad things about your past with you. Just process your past if it was a bad past, cherish the past if it was a good past, and live today, and be blessed, and feel blessed for today, and pray for the future. And I love you all. I pray, and my good wishes are all for you. I send all love, good wishes and prayers for you. Thank you so much for watching again, and